Today I'm showing you guys Subway servers, and I hacked the game. Yeah. So, let's just ads. So let's just go ahead and check this out. I already went ahead and bought everything. And look at my coins. Like, can anybody even say that neuroscientifically? Nope. And look at my keys. I saved these guys for the video so I can buy them all. So I can, get every single one of them, every color, everything. So, yeah, this is really easy. Kind of gotta get that free. Oh, that was a lot. So it was just really cool how I could do that. I need to unlock it. So, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a small gameplay. Probably not that long, just a small score, not a big score. But I'm gonna have to do all these real quick, so don't mind that. Because I want to get them. Now I have to choose which one I'm going to use. That's probably the hardest part. And done, pretty much. Alright, so let's just get right into this. Let's go ahead and choose. Oh, this one. I want a speedy one. How about this one? No, maybe that one. Maybe. I'll see. I'm going to look at the other ones real quick. Ooh, teleportation. That's cool. Super jump. Double jump and super jump. Which one should I use? I'm going to use that, I guess. Alright, let's go ahead and choose a character real quick. Who should I use? I'm going to unlock that. Oh, I didn't unlock any of this? Okay, I guess I have saved some for you guys. Okay, I unlocked that guy, that guy. There we go. Alright, let's use Prince K. Just use normal Prince K for a second. There's his movements. Down. Yeah, rolls. It's pretty cool. So, okay, let's just end that. Yep. I could probably go forever in this game because of the keys that I can just spam the keys. Alright, let's go to this. Choose the Jag outfit. It's cool. It's like a Jaguar. Movements. Not so bad. It's definitely not saving up 3 years worth of your time to get 98,000 coins. Let's see. Let's put a light goal on this. And if we can reach the light goal, then I guess we can show you how to do this hack. And there's another hack that I can show you for a different game. Okay. So if we can reach, let's see, I have 25 subscribers right now. And hopefully we'll get 30 subscribers soon. That's my goal. I'm only going to go up by 5s every time. So. And then once I get to 50 subscribers, I'm going to do a big PS4 giveaway, or PS5 or whatever comes out before that happens. So yeah, the newest PS4 or PS that I'm going to do. The newest PlayStation I'm going to give away when I get 50 subscribers. So, stay tuned. Notification squad. Always want to be a part of it. You get shout outs. So go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. Yeah, that's just. And then everyone in notifications will get a chance to win a $10 gift card every video. So comment down below if you subscribed and commented, and comment hashtag notification squad, or just NF. No. NS. Comment hashtag NS, and that will be fine. Oh, I almost died there. Comment hashtag NS. Notifications. Yep. And then you have interest entered in to win the $10 gift card giveaway. Okay. So let's go ahead and what was I about to do? Wait, what was I about to do? Oh yeah. If I get like goal. I don't know what my like goal should be. Let's get 7 likes. Yep, 7 likes on this video. If we can get 7 likes, I will show you guys how to do it. And if we can get 30 subscribers, I'll show you the new hack, or 25 likes. So every subscriber has to like. So 25 likes is the different game hack. That's a lot of coins on it. And then 7 likes is how to do this hack. So, yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and end this run. Yay. Alright. And then I'm going to go to home, me, and switch to the shine. I'm going to go ahead and show you the board thing. No, that's boring. It's just the... So, pretty cool. Here's the movements with the board on it. Up. So he spins. That's cool. I didn't know that. I haven't played this game that much recently because I just tried to hack. I mean, you know. It's cool, though. I killed him. Flip. Oh, let's get this thing. Okay, there's the slides, yeah. Okay, so let's just end the video. 7 likes is how to do this hack. 30 subscribers is how the other hack will happen. I'll show you the other hack, and then there will be a like goal on the next video on how you do the other hack. And if we reach that like goal, then I'll show you how to do the hack. 7 likes on how to do this hack. 30 subscribers on how to do the next hack. And then, let's see, what was the other like goal? 10 likes. Or 30 subscribers. Yep, that's fine. 10 likes, 30 subscribers. So, let's just end it right here. Another one of these. Alright, let's go. Just give you a quick gameplay. Oh yeah, I really hope you guys like my intro. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. You don't have to like it. If you don't, I mean, it's not a good intro for you. I honestly think it's amazing, but I really don't know. So, yep. See you guys. Just die.